Are you plagued by a loud HVAC blower? This common issue can be quite disruptive and even indicate underlying issues within your HVAC system. In this video, we will dive into the reasons behind these unsettling noises and provide you with valuable insights to help you identify and address the problem. Identifying the problem behind your loud HVAC blower can be difficult, but there are several common causes. A common issue is often an issue with the fan motor, such as worn-out bearings or bushings that need replacing. If you hear any strange noises coming from your fan motor, it's best to have it inspected and serviced as soon as possible. Another potential cause for a noisy HVAC blower is an unbalanced airflow system in your home. When this happens, some parts of your house may not receive enough air, while other areas receive too much, causing noise and vibration in certain rooms or floors. To fix this problem, you should contact an experienced technician who can inspect and adjust the ductwork accordingly, so that all areas of your home receive equal airflow distribution. In addition to these two issues, debris buildup within the unit itself, such as dirt or leaves, can block airflow and make noise when they move around inside the system during operation. Homeowners should regularly clean their outdoor condenser units using compressed air or water hoses to avoid this type of issue. If none of these solutions seem to work, it might be time for professional assistance from a certified HVAC repair company. They will be able to diagnose what's going on more accurately than any DIYer could ever hope for, allowing you peace of mind knowing that your equipment has been properly cared for by experts who understand exactly how everything works together under one roof. In case you want to troubleshoot the issue on your own, here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot the issue. Turn off the HVAC system. Check the air filter. Inspect the blower fan and motor. Lubricate the blower motor. Check the ductwork. And if you're unsure about any of the above steps, call a professional HVAC technician to diagnose and repair the issue. Finally, regularly maintaining your system will ensure all components are functioning correctly and efficiently, minimizing any unnecessary noises coming from your unit. If you have any further questions regarding a loud HVAC blower, please contact us.